Your agency sucks. And you need to hear that. Because that's exactly what I needed to hear. My agency was stagnant for about 2 months. Last month, I lost almost half of my clients. This month is looking like the best month I'm about to have. Payments are being received. Invoices are being sent. Systems are being built. Investments are happening. And I feel confident in knowing that the journey of becoming an agency owner, a real agency, is somewhere along the road. Because before, I was not an agency owner. I was just a glorified contractor. I was just doing marketing for certain clients, and that's it. But now what I'm understanding is you have to have an offer in place. Who are you serving? So that way, whenever you have that offer in place, you can offer that same thing to each niche, and you have your profit margins already aligned. You have your people aligned. You're not switching up the content for your editors where they're getting confused. And obviously I haven't implemented all of that yet, but this is what I'm learning. And one of my main goals was to have a 6-figure business this year, and that's looking like it's going to be achieved just by what this next 3 months is looking like. And I'm not big on numbers. I think most importantly, you have to be able to love the game. You have to be able to love providing for clients in order for you to understand that being an agency owner, it's about customer relationships. Because one of the things that you will always fall back on is relationships. So having a relationship with your customers, your clients, is the most important thing in any industry, because that's what sales is. Sales is not about, oh, it's human psychology, oh, you have to talk to them this certain way. That will only take you so far. But then you have to think about morals and integrity. You have to be willing to actually help these businesses. These businesses are struggling, and your job is to help them. Don't forget, that's what your main job of being an agency owner is, whether you're a creative agency, an ad service agency, whatever it is. Okay, my business is mainly a creative agency. I'm niching down to construction and development, and there's a much more better offer I can give them, and I know that I can always fall back on my product. And for a while, my product sucked. So you have to understand that if your product sucks, you're not going to make any money, because you're not going to be able to keep the clients that you have. And if you can't keep the clients that you have, if you hit a 10K month, 1 month, you're not going to hit that the next month. So just make sure that you focus on the product, and you also focus on the customer relationships. Have integrity in this business.